powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle is well equipped. This Cadillac features parking sensors, rain-sensing wipers, and a sunroof. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include satellite radio, HD radio, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless, air suspension, and backup camera. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.